So let's say it's time to replace the cup holders here. This is where they're going to be located, right in the center. Just push that. Now you can draw this whole unit up by grabbing onto it, give it a little tug, and it comes right up. As you can tell, this one's missing the piece right here. That's the adapter for different size cups. Our quality TRQ one comes with the adapter, which is removable and replaceable. We'll just take that, slide it right in, just like that. That looks beautiful. Give it a little wiggle, close it up, recycle this one, down the road you go.